Hello, this is Bruce and this is my introduction to Microsoft Word. I am using Word version 2007. It's the first version that started using ribbons. Every version of Word that has been released by Microsoft is different enough to almost mean relearning it again. So once you've got a version and you're comfortable with it, I suggest you use it. The first area to look at here is the Office button. The Office button, and I'm going to click on it now, gives you the capability to create a new document, open an existing document, save a document, save the document as a different name, and various other things that you can do as well. Next to the Office button is the Quick Access toolbar. This gives you a quick way to be able to save a document, to either undo or redo changes that you wish to make on the screen. This button has additional things that can be added to it. The ones shown ticked here are the ones that I've just mentioned. Next to the Quick Access toolbar is the document name. Here it's just showing document 3, but once you've saved a document to whatever name you choose, that name will appear in here. If you want to save the document as a different name, say for example you wish to completely modify it, then you can do save as and give it another name. Also further across here, and perhaps not so obvious, is the Microsoft Help. You can click on this or press key F1. This help will come up and give you a whole series of helps. If you're connected to the internet, it will also be online. I'm not connected to the internet at the moment, so it's an offline version. The next area to look at is the ribbon. The ribbon is a collection of commands and dialog boxes, which is how you control what Word is doing. You have a number of tabs here, so you have the Home tab, you have the Insert tab, which allows you to start inserting things like tables and pictures and clip art, etc. The page layout, margins, whether it's landscape or foolscap, and various other things, references, mailings. The View toolbar also contains things such as the ruler, which can turn on or off by clicking. You can put grid lines on it, especially useful if you want to accurately position pictures. It also contains the print layout screens. We'll look at those a little bit later. So essentially this is an area of controls. If you go back to the home screen here, you'll also find there are drop downs which you can click on and it will give you other information. For example, different types of fonts, how to set italic, bold, character sizes, etc., etc. There are two more key areas to look at. One of them is down the bottom here, which is the bottom status bar. That gives you information such as the page you're currently working on, how many words you've typed. It also gives you another view of the page layouts, such as print layout, web layout, etc. We'll look at those in a bit more detail later. And also gives you a zoom screen which you can use to change the size of the picture or of the page itself. The last key area is this area here where I'm just moving the cursor around. This is the business end of Word. This is where we start inputting information. For example, typing in characters, I can take those characters, I can copy them, I can place the cursor, I can right click, I can paste, I can start editing and changing that information. That is what we're going to be looking at in a lot more detail in the next lesson. This first lesson is really just to give you a feel for how the screen looks, where to find things.